Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to find the limit of this series. This series comes from daily integral. Now we're going to start by rewriting the sum as a Riemann sum. We're using the definition of integral. So we're going to let s equals k over n. Then k equals n times s, right? So we have n minus k equals n times 1 minus s, right? Now this guy becomes, we substitute n times s for k into this original one right here, right? Then we have, now we're going to simplify this guy and this guy, right? And n right here, I'm going to print it outside, right? N right here and n right here cancel out, right? So this guy turns out to be, we have the limit of a plus k delta s, where delta s equals b minus a over n. This is the width and this guy is the height, right? It turns out to be the integral from a to b of f(x) ds, right? So this guy right here actually delta s, and it's gonna be b minus a over n, and this guy right here actually 1 over n, right? So we put 1 over n right here, right? Now observe that denominator are the same, the numerator must be the same, right? And you can conclude that b equals 1, a equals 0, right? Now substitute back over here, and this guy actually f of x, right? Which is this guy right here. So this guy turns out to be, now we're gonna do u substitution. So we're gonna let u be ln of s over 1 minus s, then du equals ds over s times 1 minus s, right? Now we're going to change the upper bound and lower bound. When s equals 0 and s equals 1, then u becomes negative infinitive and positive infinitive, right? So this guy right here becomes the integral from negative infinitive to positive infinitive of e to the negative u squared du, right? And this guy actually Gaussian integral right here. It's gonna be square root of pi. Now if you want to learn how to prove the Gaussian integral, please check out the link in the description below. And it's good time to start. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.